Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to select or how to change any country or region in TikTok PC. So you can see this is Windows 11. So what you need to do, you have to go any browser you want. I'm using Google Chrome, then type tiktok.com. Then here can see the option right top corner on your screen. Simply just keep your mouse there, and then you can see the settings option. Simply click on the settings. Then you can see account information, and you can see here account region. Simply click here. Then you can see all the country listed here, so you can choose any country, and then next. And here you can see a reverse requirement needed and try again. So that you need to meet the following. You have to be in Australia for last 19 days. So it means that if you want to change your region, then you have to uh, belong to that country, otherwise it's not possible. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.